ईयर लेना चाहिए या नहीं? Honest answers for CUET and NEET and JEE students. If you are watching this video, there is a strong possibility that either you yourself are thinking of taking a drop year या फिर आपके माइंड में खुद ही ये हरदम प्ले होता रहता है and you are in a pressure, fear, confusion, लोग क्या कहेंगे, and you are not able to decide. Let's begin very calmly. No judgment, no pressure, बस एक honest conversation आप और मेरे बीच में. My name is Dr. Manju M. Gupta. I work as Professor of Botany at Sri Aurobindo College, University of Delhi, and I've been teaching there for last 34 years. One thing I wish to say in bold words, मैं किसी भी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से एफिलिएटेड नहीं हूँ, कोई भी डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली आपका ड्रॉप ईयर लेना या ना लेना, मुझे इससे फाइनेंशियली कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. मेरी सैलरी सेम रहने वाली है, मेरा काम भी सेम रहने वाला है. इसलिए मैं जो आपको इस सीरीज़ में बोलूँगी वो अनफिल्टर्ड होगा. इसका मतलब I will not hesitate to be direct and tell you what is right and what is wrong. No sales, no agenda. सिर्फ वही जो सच है, जो रियल है, जो एक्चुअली हेल्पफुल है और मुझको लगता है एक गुड सोशल कॉज है. इन ऑल दीज ईयर्स मैंने हज़ारों स्टूडेंट्स के साथ क्लोजली इंटरेक्ट किया है, not only inside classroom but also during admissions, mentoring, counseling and many activities beyond academics. With these experiences I realized that kuch topic there are few things which needs to be openly discussed between parents and students together. And every year many parents approach me with, they will take appointment with some reference and they just have two things in their mind. One is that their children are insisting to take a gap year because they want to appear in medical again, I being in biology department. They feel that I know many more things which a coaching college would never tell them because the commercial interests bothers everyone. And the second question which they are troubled with is it a right decision? So this video series is a small effort in that direction, जहाँ मैं practical thoughts, observation और guidance share करूँगी based on my real experiences with the students over many years, with the hope that this would help everyone from wasting time, money and efforts. In simple language, a gap year means that after completing class 12th, a student decides not to join or any course, college or any other course immediately. Instead, he wants an additional year, maybe to prepare again for competitions or to improve his performance or recover emotionally or physically. And sometimes they need more time to decide their future direction. इन इंडिया वी कॉमनली कॉल इट अ ड्रॉपिंग अ ईयर, लेकिन दुनिया की बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ में इसको गैप ईयर कहते हैं एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग एवरीवेयर. दिस इज़ नॉर्मल एंड एक्सेप्टेबल everywhere. I hope everybody has watched Three Idiots and you know Farhan Qureshi. He spent 3 full years pursuing engineering, which his father wanted him to do. His true passion was wildlife photography. This film asks a powerful question. Are you making a choice or simply following the crowd out of fear? Many students who consider drop year are in similar position. They know something feels wrong, but they haven't yet had the courage to say it. This series is an invitation to have that honest conversation. Now I tell you honestly what it is and what it is not. Because there are two type of students watching this. One type, those who know what they want. They missed it by a small margin. They want to spend one more year to get it there. There is another type of students who are confused, exhausted, they don't even know what they are running towards. I am addressing both the students here. Both are valid, but both need very different conversations, and we will have both in this series. So, before I go ahead, I need to tell you a drop year is not a failure. Please let me say it again, drop year is not failing, it is choosing. And the ability to choose requires more courage than blindly following a crowd. If you look at the data, different educational reports and coaching institutes analysis show that nearly 40 to 60% of the students who finally secure good marks and good ranks in IIT JEE, and a large number of NEET students are the students who took one extra year for focused preparation. And same way must be happening for CUET also, but the data has not yet been compiled because that's a newer competitive exam which has been introduced. Some studies from university abroad have shown that a well-planned gap year can improve maturity, confidence, and the learning ability. But at the same time, I would like to say very clearly this benefit is not for everyone. A drop year works only when the student is mentally prepared, disciplined, emotionally stable, and genuinely willing to work consistently. Otherwise, instead of helping, that 1 year can increase stress, pressure, comparisons, and frustration. The decision should never be taken emotionally or under social pressure. It should always be taken very thoughtfully by both the students and the parents together. Taking a gap year also introduces real risks like financial losses, delayed career earnings, and psychological and academic inertia sometimes. Students, after being unsuccessful after taking a gap year, do not want to go back to schools for rest of their life. Over the next 10 episodes, we are going to walk this road together. We'll look at excuses versus real reasons. We will hear real student stories. We will build plans. And most importantly, by the end, you will have real clarity. Not just inspiration, real actionable clarity for the world we live in today, where the ability to learn independently is more valuable than ever. Stay with me. This is your ear, and you have to decide to use it. Thank you.